Hi, my name is Monika Rycerz. I'm a joint subject leader.
Hi, my name is Robert Manners and I'm joint subject leader and lecturer on BA Painting, Drawing and Printmaking. Fundamentally, our programme is about the interest and relationship between materials and process.
We are quite hands-on materials and process-based course. We show you how to make your own paints from scratch. You learn how to build canvas stretchers, amongst many other things.
That's where it starts, but it certainly isn't where it ends. We look and think about these materials and the processes that are traditionally associated with them, such as painting, drawing and printmaking. However, this is a contemporary practice course. It teaches the student the importance of both practical and critical thinking and how these may be understood to support an emerging practice.
We encourage you to work with different processes, with different materials, and really experiment for yourself. What do you think the painting is? What do you think is printmaking in 21st century? What is drawing in 21st century? So really working with a variety of mediums and finding the new language for those processes.
Everything we do has a context and is part of a contemporary view of why these three traditional disciplines remain essential, particularly in this ever-expanding digital world.
In painting, drawing and printmaking, we've got fantastic facilities. We've got a fantastic studio which's got lots of daylight. The studio is attached to the print room, which is fully equipped with etching presses, with relief presses, with vacuum screen printing beds. So you literally got the print room on your doorstep. So if you're really keen on printmaking, you really have no excuse. You can just be in the print room straight from your working space.
So what type of student does our course attract? Obviously, all the students who do embark on BA Painting, Drawing and Printmaking programme share an instinctive creativity which is part of themselves. So what makes them who they are?
Although we are quite a traditional subject course, we like to see our students challenging those subjects by bringing in other mediums to your practice and also giving you a time to experiment and deepen your work. So for example, in the past, we've seen students working with installations, video and sound as well.
What they all need, however, is a supportive environment in which to investigate this path. And that is exactly what BA Painting, Drawing and Printmaking offers.
If this sounds like your cup of tea and you are thinking of joining our program, just do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.